Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted TikTok videos. If you are a TikTok enthusiast, you might start humming lyrics. As a wide-use video sharing social network app, TikTok gets an amount of loyal and creative users. Even my friends and I like to take short videos. For a video maker, terrible things may come with your video gets deleted or lost. Fortunately, all hope is not lost. There are some things you can do to recover deleted TikTok videos or drafts. First, follow this step to check your backup is available. If it is available, you can restore deleted videos from the Google Photos app. How to check your backup on Android phone. Open your Google Photos app. At the top left of screen, tap the three lines. Select Trash and choose the TikTok videos you want to recover. Now, tap the Restore icon. If you had saved your TikTok videos on an SD card or on your computer and you accidentally delete them, you can easily recover the deleted videos by professional video data recovery software. In this video, you can choose 3 methods to retrieve your deleted TikTok videos according to your need. You can get back videos from like videos, backups, or using a video recovery tool. The best way to recover deleted or lost video is to back files up in advance. If you lose data without backup, be sure to use professional data recovery software to help you quickly recover important files. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next video.